Stop using synthetic chemicals. Go natural with organic gardening instead. Here's why it's a game changer. At 360 Farms and Winery, we're transforming gardening into something extraordinary. Our secret? Organic farming. No synthetic pesticides or fertilizers here. Just pure, natural goodness. This means healthier soil, thriving plants, and a vibrant ecosystem. And guess what? It's not just about what we avoid, it's about what we embrace. Compost, mulch, and crop rotation. These are the heroes behind our bountiful harvests. But the magic doesn't stop there. We're partnering with 360 Albany to bring fresh, organic produce to families in need. By supporting us, you're nourishing both your body and your community. Visit us at 801 W Highland Ave, Albany, or call 229 800 1360 to learn more. Let's grow something amazing together.